Hi guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel AOSP Insights with Abhishek. So in today's video, I'm going to explain you that how to create our own company module and how to add that into the device folder and how to inherit that from the already existing one target. So in my case, I will take that target SDK car x8664 and that I will explain you how can we build on top of that our own module and how can we add module wise modular architecture so that in the upcoming videos how I will be only changing to the HAL vendor HAL module interface module inside the vendor, and then I will explain you that how that HAL will interact with the system application or framework or anything further. So let's get started. Before that, if you like these videos, please do support me and like, subscribe. And for any queries, please don't forget to put your comment inside the comment section. I'm always eager and happy to help you out. So the first step, so I'm going to explain you that we have device folder. So inside device we have car. Uh, Sorry. So inside device we have generic. So inside generic we have car, and inside car we have emulator, and inside emulator uh, we have to create our company. So basically this company is inside the device my company. So what I was trying to say here is that this is how for emulator device these VP files and all those files are there. So that's why I am considering that one. But to create our own, so inside device we have to create our own company. Any company you can give the name, and then the car, like it can be car, truck, anything like your product name. So based on that I have tried to make it simple, and this is how we have to create like in the AndroidProduct.mk and my company car.mk. Now let's see that what are there all inside. So here in this line you can clearly see that it is the inherit of the base configuration, and that is from SDK car x86 target, and we are inheriting all those existing means configuration from there. And on top of that we are also adding our vendor fragment. So with the help of this vendor my company and my company.mk, which would be there in the vendor folder, so we will create the vendor folder in that my company, and then my company mk we can define. Then these are some local overrides. So here keeping all those emulator as a device as a existing one, since we don't want to change the board config.mk and all. So to make that, to use that already existing one, we can keep the product device brand model and all those things here. So we can give the name as per our suggestion or as per our requirement. And then to make sure that whatever vendor my company is there, it should compile properly. uh, we should write here, and this is not compulsory, but just for the safe side, it shouldn't miss by the build system. We have given it here, and although it would be redundant, but always safe to use. So I will suggest to use this one. And also, if you want to experiment, you can try to build your module without this also. So now once this is done, so we will go to the terminal, and we can see that here we can see that we can do the source build environment setup.sh. After doing that, doing this one, we can see that our module, our environment are set up successfully. So if we'll give the launch target, now our module name should come here. So you can clearly see that it is there. Yeah, so here you can see it is there. So now we want to build that one and test that whether build is successful or not. So here you can see 73 I'm going to give here, and you can see that already those details whichever we have inherited from the SDK car x86. On top of that, our company car target product is also coming. So variant, architecture, everything is already existing one. So like that we can use, then we can give the make command. So here the build will start, and now build is done. So just to cross check, we'll just run the emulator and we can see that emulator is working fine and running here. So that's all. Thank you. And yeah, please do like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to put your queries and suggestion in the comment box. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you so much.